Kublai P baro syakatup kubor jungi kadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaka singi kilong. Dawa ke HYC na ke MEECL ban siu pilot ksan na benta uyabok lang wanyang. Hiar kirang ba RDA shanong po na benta uba Robert June. Rakhe Khasi National Awakening Day ka KSU Maulai daga basketball. Ban Lami ki electoral roll bajanai ha Southwest Garo Hills. Tomantang niya pai shaki khubor ke ba khambania. Kinoyalam ka Seng Neutrab Youth Council HYC West Khasi Hills District. Rengkat berkidekot nari Mulyang Circle, kila kerpat badawa na kibor jang ka Megalia Electric Corporation Limited MEECL Nongston, pansiu bailot ksan nagabenta uyabok lang wanyang. Uhebrid ubala mensau na kajingbat ke elektrik na usainar ubala no syamadan haka arpulai tarik uleber arhajar arpusau kat ba udang yad lenti na kata kajaka. Uni uhebrid usyong usa hasnong langja West Khasi Hills. Executive Engineer ke MEECL ulak kular ban shimkia ya kanikakam bat unya kran bat kibor bahajrong jong ketenat boarding na kabenta kani kajing ud jong kinong yalam ke HYC.
Nakaliang jongi ka HYC West Khasi District harangkat ka jeng ya don kat nakaliang jong ka Mulyang Circle bertemu Circle mentang ilawannya kenduk ya Executive Engineer jong ka MECB hang ni ba jeng keren ke jongi kelong ba nakaliang jongi kerpat ya ka MECB ba ka di ban siu ya ka bailut san namta tu hybrid ibok lang wanyang nagasnong langja ka ba lajah ni tayo beradab Menteri Sejan nakaliang jong HYC West Khasi District harkat Mulyang Circle kewangi lah yarap pan lek pan yarap lem yote kena bala don deng jom saujur reng isu kumangi laong ya ingu ublai pat te kena nang laj deng ka jingjap sosi rei tang ka jing mensau kun tang kerpat ya ka office jong ii bade ban yarap lem ka bai lusan ta te kena ti setenan nakaliang jong ii wang bo sa simkia ni usap ha keyboard bade bate nang ba kila ban yarap lem nang ta te ban nakaliang jong ki SDO ru ila ka sai bakin sa lek ban pek yo tu kena hagni ki singi ki ba mentah dikata ka bentah hidu kopor nilai keren ru nakaliang jongi i ba man kopor ke jing jia basusi ka dei jing yap jing merat jing tengku bi wayar hakaleng ki bentah jong West Khasi District di nakaliang jongi ngila kerpat yo i ba don kam ban update ban pek ban lek pek man kisnong kumnu kilong ki wayar nomor kila trei arphos na menchua la trei life house na menchua la trei house na menchua don ki wayar ki bela senjor ki pus ki bela senjor kum ta ter di nakaliang jong ii long ba menta kinsa lek stom nomor ka don ru leng ba ka skim ka RDSS kani ka skim kolong ban repair nan ta ki ba job nginget pa nakaliang jong nginget ba nakaliang office kan salek benta kum juru nakaliang jong la ajung mut ru yo ii ba de ban ajeng tip habaro kisnong lengba kisiti ban kerpat kisnong bagi dewen yaraban pejam bagi kisnong ki khamsuk yaraban pejam hangnu bagadon ke jing julor hangnu gadon ke jing bombyang ki niki wer pus keleng ki kisnong ko West Khasi District lada kidon ki dewen yathu ka office bagadai lek kam ingej bagani ru kan yarap sibun lada nakliang jok office kan lek ka haju poru ni wan lembaga unit momerin baudon we atli gipu sama merin belajar klaim no de nakaliang jongki sipai ki jongi na momrin
Kinoyalam ka parti UDP hakasngi Sautarik Yayong ki hiar Sheribhoy District ban penlong ya ka jingyalang hakasnong yau maulong nongpo kabadairu ka sngi yau na ka benta ban pensyai halor kinong rim jo ka seng ban pan ka jingkersha na ki ba na ka benta ukertong MP Lok Sabha ba Robert June Kharjarin na Shillong parliamentary seat. Hakani kesni ladon bentalang uba Ahmed ba lengdo uba Meryl Bons Im ba Renekton lengdo uba KP Pangyang President HSPDP ba Balajit Rani ba kiwe. Habakran hakate ka jingelang nakaliang kite ki he ka UDP HSPDP kilayathu ba ka jingwan jongki ban penlong yakane ka jingelang pad ba kalong ban penbena bat penpa we kinong rim baka RDA ka don ban terwa syakipal ba hakane ka MP election bat ban panru ya ka jingkershan jogipal ba nagabanta uba Robert June Kharjarin ban mi khmat Shalok Sabha Kinoyalam juga RDA kila keno baka pisa kan sapen ibor haki kisngi ya kaba amjoy ikot haki potli ki election haki snam balala.
Kung kinonyalam, yung kini ki artli ki political party ka UDP bat ka HSPDP. Bat kumbanga Ukraine naman ki jaka ki bangalet ya kaban yalap bat banya parta na kabanta ka election campaign na kabanta candidate jongi na kawai ka jaka sa kawai ka jaka banga kwa ban ong ni bakalong kaju kejingkran jonga kanun don jingper kejingper kan long tang la lecture hamairang kam kriat ka bane lecture hamoy kam sit ka bane tang kata jingper mereka mat di point ki ba nakaliang jonga ngakwa bagi pait ba ya ki egi sembo jing perkat ki bagi kwa ban bersiap ki kwa ban pendrung ki jing perkat jopi suaba pinjim ya kanu rai nalor ki tu ki berada pinjim ya karai na kersan ya kan di tu nganu muan ya kan ke pol siteng sengi kumne ke jing set ke beneng ban pensoka ya pi kilong keme kilong kepak samla ban penyangka ya pi sedai serut sakyal tang nak kabanta ma pincuan menyesap ya kene election lengawan hak ne por rekat bat ka RDA rekat baru kandidat rekat bagi rirang ba hak ne por ban pelut sini ya kata ka badan ka nongrim bat ka dor jongka hak por election judon ki baju ai ni mod ina giong kawang lah ke kawang, keren lah ke keren ke bamuan, lele ada election. Yang ada election pun balak lah. Kau kelah. Ukun mau. Ulah bal kelet, teman dalam polisan senam ada yang tuan kembas liang. Ukun mau ke ibu tidak kelet. Ada yang sisa. Kerib hoi. Hakapol bakalang don na preng ke jingya kun. Kepada na preng hakapol jong ke jingya le. Kabangi don kam ya kinong yalam. Ki leader ki bala benset haki.
Pagba nong sang snow. Hapo uput usam jong ka iwe islong parliamentary seat. Ya ka kerteng. Ke jong ba Robert Jun Karjarin kum ukurtong. Kendiat batlang kode sapang une usamla rangba hai jingtip ibanga ala berlum kat tu kat ni ude usamla rangba uba la palat ya kalai pesan senem kadang ngambakla karta kade karta kabala i kabala pedeng karta kaba hagi jinglong briu jinglong do gejengir kade karta kabe genang yok bor banang tre ya lagi jong kekam usam larang ba ubaladan gajing nang gajing stat ubala pendep ya gajing puli BALLB kumbala aban sutu ubotip ubos sutu ya gajing dan kam kumno bania sat hangti hapo dor barba parlemen kejudan gajing persyang ban keren hagiran san yalap election na ka bentah ban penbit dakamne dakamtai kala bandai daga pisa kala bandai da kiwi kirukom tendrai ka election MP kadai ka election ka bakongsan hadu kata haga bangin jit ya une orang ba ubanra ya ka sur banya sat banya keren hangti hapo ka dor barba ha parlemen kindan sibun ki bill ki bana kaliang
Katanat KSU Maulai Circle haka South Tarik Uyayong kala rakhe ya ka Khasi National Awakening Day daka ba penlong ya ka jingya kop ya lekai basketball ha Maulai Nong Pedeng u General Secretary Sengkme Samla Donald V Thaba ula please dang ya ka ne ka tournament kumu kongsang haka ne ka lumpung ya lekai basketball kidon khat arkan hon na kaliang ki kenthai bat lai phokan hon na kishenrang haka ne ka sngi sedang na kaliang ki kenthai laya kun ka mau kasyang Marvels persha ya ka dubak si katba na kaliang ki shenrang laya le hapdeng ka KSU mau prem persha ya ka seng samla maulai nong pedeng Kamau ka siang Marvels kala kertiau jam jai ya ka dubak si da ka hendriu pho ar la ar pho khandai pon. Kadbana ka liang kishin rang ka seng samla maulai nong pedeng kala penjam knap ya ka KSU mau prem da ka san pho wei la sau pho pon.
Ai ke jingero ya ka KSU mulai circle basa sisin kelala ban beteng liang ban pentulun ya ka salentem haka ba kelala ban pelong ya ka ni ka 4th edition jongka basketball tournament ka ba tournament kaba nyelek kai tang parakasi om bangnyelek kai bat kiwei pat kijat hendriu hawat mesi ki bu diberi ki bakam tho ya ka KSU ki ong ba balei piselek kai tang param phi pi penyak kai batang kasi balei ki khanglat ki kiwei balei pin susah kut pin set bat iladi inside a box around within the four walls Andre kamde ke jing khanglat Andre ke jing thu ke jungi hi bang penyak ki kini ki tournaments kemudian bagi kuah ban ai platforms ini ai rengsan ya ki parodok parasnam ujungi ki batang ban peni ya kasap agi jinglia kai ki jungki kembangan suai nupsa hangi pi boro subuh mentala da kadon ka college week po senyan tennis college kemudian ki players ki balik besim mentah basketball ke football ki debi ki kena senyan tennis ki namsha ai kena senyan mans kena Shillong college betum ter Tiga jengmut ke jengiru ke longbal kini pelong ya kini ke kasih basketball tournament insya Allah para kasih. Bat kata ke objektif dan itu ke vision ke jong ke KSU ke longba ini kilong kita kirensan lalu ki madan ki ban ai experience ki kena ke jengi ai kini kun safara menyi ai kini yo kalat begini kun safara maki ban lokum sibenta bagi ban kre ila dia ban kiu pat kirensan menyekun pat bagi ki jek riu lagade ke state level ini ke national level but international level ban kiu bagi ni sang kini ki levels ki boper jadi ke jingang nut jong ke KSU namar lagi ba ka jinile kai bai dei bagi discipline ki boper dari tengah basketball hangi po jela megalaya jingi ke yar sebapalap dan ini pek akan
Additional Deputy Commissioner Southwest Garo Hills RZD Shira ulapan bena yaki bor bapen ya yaki election bakilapan mi haka South Rik yaki electoral roll bajanai bat balakan thop yaki kerteng joki nong tap board bat kidur jongki balapan shong nong rem hadu arpu nyau tarik uleber hajar arpu saw lasam yaki neki electoral roll shaki nong yalam ki sengsan hima ki bana ki constituency 53 Ampati 54 Mahendraganj but 55 Salman Para. Yakini ki electoral roll lapet benia but le janai kat kum ki kendon an registration of electoral rule 1960. Ki pat ba kila aban pet yakini ki electoral roll yaki bala bo haki jaka baki bor Sanshar district kilapan bena. Ka Maharashtra Institute of Technology MIT University of Meghalaya Shillong haka Sautarik Uyayong kalapan bena ban penlong ya ke MIT Connect Shillong haka Rio Tarik St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School basketball court nadu kapor khatwishi teng minstep hadu kapor lai baje janmit halor kapang entrepreneurship and sustainability. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Khubor Upro Vice Chancellor Dr. D. Bhattacharjee Ulaong Kani ka university ka khotsngo bahaya baro ban wan sngap bat shimbenta hakate ka seminar ka ban ai shibun ki jingtip bat kilat kilenti ban turshakmat haki kam ki jam haka jing imjongki ulaya thuru ya ka MIT University lasdang house nam 8000 khatway bat la yo ka jing itho khmat kum ka State University house nam 8000 khatnyo da ka sarkar Meghalaya
in history be in Kashi be in English but what we have done which Albert was referring one step ahead. The UPSC syllabus as well as the MPSC syllabus. The total syllabus we have divided into 6 or 7 different segments. Each and every segments are added in each and every semester. So that as soon as student will complete their graduation, they are ready to crack the MPSC or the UPSC examination. So this is a new thought because most of the students in our state, they are ready to crack the government service. They'll go for the government. They just want to go for the government service. They want to crack the MPSC. For that reason, this is a new thought we introduced here. That as soon as they will complete the graduation, they will have their graduation degree in hand, in one hand. In another hand, they are ready to crack the government examinations. So the syllabus framing, it was very hard to frame the syllabus in such a way so that the student will complete their graduation subject also, as well as they will complete all the subject which is related to UPSC as well as the MPSC also. Not only UPSC, APSC, SSC also local students. And so if I start with the journey of MIT, as the Act passed in 2017 and we established this university in 2017, MIT was the academic partner of this university since the beginning. And in 2017, MIT decided to take this university control fully. So in 2017 and 18, with the State Government Act, again one more act was passed by the State Government Education Department as well as the Law Department. And the university earlier name was changed and currently we are known as the MIT University of Meghalaya. After establishing this university, our first motto to establish our own campus, because we believe that without having our own campus, we are not able to give proper justice to the student. Unless and until we give proper lab facility to the student, proper library facility to the student, proper giving facilities to the student. Student life requires all these things. So our first motto was to establish our own campus. We were struggling a lot. Then with the help of the government, with the help of the local people, with the help of the local authority, we were able to crack the deal in 2020. We purchased the land on university name and registered the land on university name in 2021, 4th April. And it's a very good news. And I can say this is a coincidence.
Hadirin ka jingmi no katu ka ningut kinong yalam ka UDP na ribhoy ki ba kuntup na ka district bat ki circle ban lit penya so opat sa ka party NPP menta ka sngi kinong yalam ka UDP Youth Wing Haribhoy district kilapan pau ba ka jingmi no jong ki katu ka ningut na ka party kamsyam ladon ka jingkta AA ya ki kam jong ka party kilaong penban kilayo pat ban pendap yang ya ki jaka ki bala thli kilapan pauru ya kajing sngongu ya kisamla ba kila treshi tom shu barban perklan bore ka party kat banang mi kisngi habakran shikila pathai khubor nakaliang uba Las Forius Marngar President UDP Youth Wing Haribhoy uloong baka jingmi no jongki katu kaningut ki dekhot jaka party kamsyam dan kanu kajing kta ya ka party bar kamdon kanu ka daw lane ban kentho AA yaki
Ribhoy District Youth Wing jongga UDP ngidon hangne ban penchai ban ai mensi mi pradkot jongga Youth Wing jongga Ribhoy beroi kewa ngidon iki circle da Southly ka Humsning Mawati Jirang bat kanongpo circle jongga Youth Wing jungi te hadu menta tangga ya ka umroi ngimpala bandon tek ai bang ko penchai ban ai mensi mi para samla namar ba adu menhang tu pilih ya ka iki parad khot jungi kibana kaliang jongu secretary jong Youth Wing jungi Ribhoy district ula ino ekam ulami berolai sui party nang tau organizer jongka party jungi ila ino ila le chawai ke party but ngasur buat persau ne ba nakaliang presiden bat secretary ro jongka Umsning circle ila ino bar ila le join chawai ke party nakaliang jungi kumga komiti jongga Youth Wing hi ngimdon gano jing kentho eki ring kit bok eki yole se ba ka parti UDP jungi kimdon ngile se ngimla ban penbiang yole se ngimla ban penhun ya ke jingkwa ke jingkrang ke jongki ingso ban ai kit bok iki bagi lalit mentah syakwe ke parti ya li se kidang la ban pendiang hang ta ya li se kidang la ban yo ya e gumba ke jingtu ke jing angnut jongki ban kentiu ke ne ke dong thai ya sa chi sin na ka leng ke jongi nyimdon ke no ke jingin tho ban so ban ai ro ka burom ya ki prat khot jong yud wing ba mentah ka sitarik na kaleng jong riboy district youth wing nila syong hang ne po no office party nila jet ye gini ki khot thmai ha ka jaka jong secretary nila yo no secretary ba thmai ita ide iba pen crowdboard makri badan lang hang ne nang ta ngidon ro ya u working president berang jet menang tu amrit jamu bangila ya jet di kinong kitkam bat bun kinong kitkam ngila jet thmai na kaleng vice president ngila penrung ro ya advisor iba ba sunshine makri bodi candidate MLA hang te berang deputy menagane kidu khot ngila penrung lut ngimdon su iba thali taron kali sang ne kinong kitkam bangila jet di gini kinong kitkam jongka riboy district jungi bro kowai tenang taru masang ban penpau ro hang ne ba ya kumsling circle kemana kaleng kidu khot kila ino kam na kaleng jong ba Watson mikit bok isa sisen na kaleng kidorius general secretary bala ino pangila la banjit thmai gitaru to president jong kumsling circle ila yo iba Juban Jun Swear kumu presiden nang tahu secretary de Shanding Ronghang kita gide ginong kitkam na kalyang jongi ga yudwing yum duna ke bru mo mene ngidon kinong kitkam ba khmat ban yu samla iba shit rahem ibetrei ban penwandur ya ka yudwing jingapo ka boy district padang sorong ne ban penbena ba ya ka mohoti constituency ya ka yudwing jungi ba ngimpat judon yudwing labun kisnem kamtam ha ni swag MLA na kaleng jingi la persyang ban form ga yudwing ringim la ban form dedang ha gini kisngi ha ka artarik ngili ke jingalang hangte ngilala ban form ga yudwing hangte ngila yo president jong mohoti circle iba Elwin Nalu i vice president ira Rafer Marsing i general secretary Kershan Sakra i assistant secretary Padi Anderson Muksha gini dukot
Connectivity Higher Secondary School mau kerwat. Hakalai tarik uyayong kelas dang ya kajing rakhi kemen Jubilee Ksiar Golden Jubilee hadian kajing ya lenti jongka lasan postnem hakikam syakri ya ki khun kiksiu bat ki pateng jongka jat penriu nyautrap lengba kajing nang jingtip bat ka akor ka buram tieng belai tip briu hakathan Southwest Khasi Hills Barokaway. Lapli perda ya kani kajing le kemen Jubilee Ksiar da ukong san ba ti lengwa DC Southwest Khasi Hills da ka ba penher ya kalama jong ka school bat hakaju kapor lakawe ya kalama sedang jong ka annual school sports ban penrehem ya kajing it jong ki khna school bat samla pule ya kani ka shlem jing tip ka bala syakri pat ba lasan posnem kenti hakani ka sngi ple ya ka Jubilee Ksiar bat sngi sedang ya ka annual sports la pensngan da uba Damang Sengkon District Sports Officer u Reverend Padar Alfonsos Walang Principal Nativity Higher Secondary School ki riu khmat hakani ka nongba kinong hikai ki kmi ki kpa bat belai ki samla ki ba lapule hakani ka school bat ki spangut ki khna ki badang puli menta rengkat bat ki riu don buram balak shakhot ngobha nakani ka than ki palba hakani ka sngi kim kwashu ban ki namadan jokani ka school namarba kila yabbe yakiriam ki bet jong ki khna school bat kila pangnut ban kutno yakijing ruai bathiang balami na ki rendang ba jamnut bat ki jingshat ki ba kimpat jo ikot hakijing im jongki kijing pen bernya bala ai de ki khna school ka Saint Vianney English School kila pen hunjrut yaki jabing bat donut jongki tu ki balayo i yaki hakani ka sni
flag bearer Shrimati Eliza Lindo. Blue House bears is saluting the chief guest. The motto of Blue House is, we never lose, either we win or we learn. Approaching the saluting Soshang, flag bearer Shri Marvyangdor Harjarin. The St. Vianney's English School boys is taking the salute from the chief guest. In the second contingent we have the St. Vianney's English School girls, Commander Julia Grace Marvin, flag bearer Larry Mayaka Lungkhoy. The chief guests are saluting the St. Vianney's English School girls. In the third contingent is the lower primary Rooster Marhan. In the fourth contingent we have the lower primary school girls, Commander Ajin Kumen Shisha Lando Marshall, flag bearer Persia Khan. The lower primary school girls is saluting the chief guest.
I'm very happy to be here in your midst. I have known this school for very long time, and now it is my opportunity to be present here, and I've been meeting the principal off and on.
Badak itu ki kuboy ngelapoi sekapakun, tak hadu bangin dengan shanbiang kublai shibun.